In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Zoom participants you've removed to rejoin your meeting. If you've ever needed to remove someone from a Zoom meeting, perhaps due to some technical issues or simply because they joined at the wrong time, and then wish to let them back in later, this feature is going to be incredibly useful for you. So, let's dive right in and see how you can enable this setting with just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to sign in to the Zoom web portal. Now, depending on your role, you might be signing in as an administrator or as a host. Either way, these steps will work for you. Once you're logged into your Zoom account on the web portal, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a navigation menu. This is where you have various settings and options for customization. In this menu, you'll want to focus on the Settings section. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings area, you'll see a variety of tabs along the top. The tab we're interested in today is the Meeting tab, as it encompasses all the settings related to your Zoom meetings. Go ahead and select the Meeting tab to proceed further. Within this tab, you'll encounter a subsection called In Meeting, Basic. This is a crucial part of Zoom settings because it covers essential functionality that can enhance or customize your meeting experience. As you're browsing through the In Meeting, Basic section, you need to locate a specific setting titled Allow Removed Participants to Rejoin. It's designed for occasions just like ours, where you may need to permit someone back into a meeting they've previously exited. Once you've found this setting, you'll see a toggle switch right next to it. This switch needs to be turned on to enable the feature. So, go ahead and toggle it on. After you've switched it on, take a moment to look for a Save button. Sometimes, this will be required to apply your changes, depending on the setup of your web portal interface. Click Save to ensure your preferences are updated. One key thing to keep in mind is that this change won't affect meetings that are currently in progress. Therefore, if you're aiming to apply this setting immediately, you will need to end the current meeting and restart it for the changes to take effect. And there we have it. With those steps, you've successfully enabled the ability for removed participants to rejoin your Zoom meetings. It's a simple process, but can make a significant difference in managing your virtual gatherings. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your future Zoom hosting more flexible and efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.